So guys, today I'll tell about something which is very important. I'll tell about sardi jukham and cough treatment. So this is ultimate and this is really sufficient for you. You don't have even go for allopathic medicines. This is one of the best treatment, and you don't need any medicines or any ideas you have to go through it. This is amazing treatment. Now here I'll show you this what this one is 3 katu churna. And now you can see here 3 katu churna, and here in this way mentioned 120 rupees for I don't know how much gram, and you can have this trigger to churn 1 teaspoon before sleep. This includes ginger, long pepper and pepper. Amount is mentioned already now, and here the honey. You can have this honey. With honey you have to have before sleep like 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon trakatu churna. This is really sufficient, and you don't need any medicines, and this is your complete treatment for 3 days, only 3 days. And then after that your sardi, jukham, khasi, nazla, everything will be gone.